Doing a little YouTube video for y'all today, man. I know I haven't posted a lot, but I was feeling bored and I need to get on my grind. Get on my grind. So today we're gonna go to the store. I gotta get my dog some food, man. If I can figure out how to insert clip, I'll show y'all a picture of my dog. He cool, he chill. The 5'7" talk. They don't do nothing else. The hell will talk. It's cold. I got the sunroof open for y'all, man. I'm trying to get a thank you in the comments. Without this, y'all wouldn't be able to hear like you do now. I might throw that hell in vent mode.